Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanner 9004 in League of Legends. So this is a old version of Windows here, and here's how you check which version you're running. Go to search, type in run, and in run you want to type in win, ver, and it will open this window. And it says here version, I don't know, 22.1 or 2, Windows 10. You have to update your Windows. Now to do so, you go to back to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you want to go to Windows Update and then click here like to update and install Windows, and it will install the latest Windows. But if it installs Windows 11, you have to enable secure boot. Now to check if you have secure boot enabled, you have to go to back to search, type in run, and here type in ms info 32. And once this opens, you want to click here, look for secure boot state. If it says off, you have to enable it in BIOS. Also look for baseboard product. For me, it's B450 Gaming Pro. So I need this. And now you can also go to run one more time and type in tpm.msc, click OK. And it says here, if it says TPM is not ready to use, then you have to enable it. And to do so, you also do in the BIOS. The next thing you want to do is open a browser, type in YouTube, and copy your motherboard, so B450 for me, and type in secure boot. And I'll show you now for I have a video for my motherboard, but you obviously look for your version of motherboard and which version you need.
Showing you how to change the BIOS on MSI motherboard. I have B450, I think, with updated BIOS, so it looks like this. So you won't be able to play like Valorant and I don't know what, maybe League incoming if you don't have the secure boot enabled. So what you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. This change it to standard, and then like change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work.
Now, if you're panicking and your motherboard is like super old, or like your PC is older and you don't have a TPM module on your motherboard, fear not, you don't have to buy like a new PC for you to be able to play the game. You can buy simply the module, which is like, I don't know, 20 bucks or less on AliExpress. And then you simply plug it into your motherboard and go over through the step where you just enable the TPM 2.0 in BIOS, and then you should be able to play Valorant normally, and you don't have to buy like a super expensive or a new PC for it to work. I'll leave links down below for Amazon and AliExpress for the modules. Now, the only thing you gotta look for is look for one which is like the same. It says like for ASUS, for MSI, for ASRock. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you want to buy like that version of the TPM 2.0 module so it like fits and it works properly. And now that you updated the secure boot, you want to do the same for TPM 2.0. So type in gaming or whatever it says for you, B450 and Pro, type in TPM 2.0.
Hi guys, this is how you enable TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC, and then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to security tab, click on trusted computing, and then security device support. Enable that, and then leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to save, click on save and save changes and reboot, and that's it.
Now, the last thing you want to do after you updated both secure boot or enabled it and TPM 2.0, you want to go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in services.msc. Once it opens, you want to click somewhere here, press the V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, switch it from manual to automatic, click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. Once you are in here, click services, click hide on Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, take it back again, click apply, click OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC one more time, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vayner 9004 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.